Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 BMW M5. So there's nothing connected. We go to telephone, which is that button on telephone, and you'll see it's actually got the phones that are connected at the moment. If I go back, let's just go back, click on telephone again, Barry's iPhone, that's the one I want to disconnect. If I knock it sideways, knock the control sideways, it brings up this other screen here. And there you go. You've got Barry's iPhone, configure device, remove device, remove device. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 BMW M5. So first of all, we need to make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. Over to the iDrive here, and you've got telephone there, so we'll click on telephone, and you'll see there it's come up on the screen, but you've got a phone that's connected or could be connected, and then you've got the option to add a new device. That's what we want to do, so click on add new device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW M5 There it is, it's come up already, so we'll click on that. It's now asking me to put a passkey in, so for ease of use I'll just go for 4 noughts, like so. Then we turn the rotary control down to OK, click OK, and then we have to put 4 noughts in here and click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and there you go, it's connected. Just taking its time on the actual audio system in the car, but it's connected on the phone. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the audio system in this 2012 BMW M5. It can be a bit tricky sometimes. If you've not set your phone up correctly in the first place and you haven't ticked audio, it won't be ready. First thing we do, switch on music. You'll see there, this is actually, it is paired and it's ready to play. And there you go. If I can just click it there. BMW M5 This means any audio that plays from my mobile will play through here if you have this system set up properly. So I'm just going to turn it down. We go over to the system, we click CD at the top left hand corner. You'll see there it's got Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Now if I just click over there, that's on external devices. We'll go to CD. I'll show you from the beginning because it is quite confusing. So we'll go back, we'll go back out of here. Oh gosh, CD, so that's CD. We'll just go back into nav. So we want to play music from here, we go over to here, we click CD. Now that's on CD, it's saying no disc. We actually want the sound from your mobile coming through the Bluetooth system. So if we click the eye control to the left there, you'll see CD DVD is selected, but you've got here Bluetooth audio. Now I would assume that's what I would want, Bluetooth audio. So if you go down here and click on Bluetooth audio, it just doesn't mean anything. It does mean you can, if that audio sign's not ticked there, it means you can add it. But what you actually need to do to listen to music here is not go to Bluetooth, but go to external devices, select external devices, and then you've got plug-in, auxiliary front, or Barry's iPhone. And we want Barry's iPhone there. So that's it. If I turn that up, that's it, that's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2012 BMW M5. So any screen, if we go over, click nav here, that button there, that just brings that screen up, doesn't mean a whole lot. What you have to do, the iDrive, knock the iDrive over to the left hand side, knock it over again, and then you get this other menu, and we want destination input. Destination, easy for me to say, destination input. We want postcode, click on postcode. And now with the rotary control, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Hale Walton, Preston PR. Now we need numbers. Again, not immediately obvious, so we go round here to the bottom there, and you've got numbers and symbols. So PR5, 4, it's gone back to, or if I click here now, it will go to letters. E, A. So it's not very intuitive in my opinion anyway. But if I just click on that now, you see there, accept destination, start guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.